Welcome to our video. Today, we are going to learn how to count from 1 to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and finally, this is the number 30. Great job following along with the video today.